Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Cadillac key fob battery. Very common one, used for different models, mostly after 2014, ATS, CTS, XTS, maybe a few more, I don't remember. Anyway, the battery you will need is a CR2032. Once again, CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. And let me show you how to do it. Basically, the first thing we do, we take the emergency key out by pushing this button right here and pulling the key. Pushing and pulling. Can be a little bit annoying at the beginning, but you'll get it. Pushing and taking the emergency key out. Second thing we will do is to remove the cover, which we do by insert the screwdriver right here in the middle and clockwise. I turn it around. Once again, let me show you. Right here in the middle, very gently, clockwise, it pops out, just like that. Make sure this doesn't fall, of course, leave it aside. The battery right here, as I said, 2032. Gently you can take it out, face down, put it back in, push. We're all good here. And now you simply take the cover, put it back up, make sure you hear the click, put the emergency key back in, and that's it. You're good to go. Pretty easy. As I said, the battery 2032, you can click on the link below to get it. Let us know what you think. Thank you.